Hi guys, welcome back again. This time we are going to work on our parachute. For this experience, we'll need some string, a plastic bag, and we also need a hexagon-shaped piece of paper or a hexagon-shaped template. Before we move on to our experience, I am going to show you my hexagon shape. The hexagon is a two-dimensional shape, and I wanted to tell you that the hexagon, if we look carefully, it has 6 edges and 6 faces. But what are the faces? The faces are the flat parts of the shape that you see, and the edges are the pointy bits here where the two flat parts meet together. See? So these are the edges. All these pointy bits that you see, these are called edges, and the flat parts of the shape, these are called the faces. So let's count the faces together of the hexagon. 1 face, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon has 6 faces, and how many edges do you think it has? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon has 6 edges and 6 faces. Excellent, everybody. Now let's move on to our experience. You will need this because with your plastic bag, you need to place it against the hexagon, and that's when you're going to start cutting it. Okay, it doesn't have to look perfect because my hexagon didn't turn out perfect. It was very hard to cut plastic, but give it a go, and if you find it extremely hard, you can always ask a parent to help you out with, because it was a bit challenging for me, so I'm expecting it will be challenging for you as well. So place your plastic bag against the hexagon and then start cutting it. Once you finish cutting it, you don't need this anymore, so just put it away. Then I used a pair of scissors to poke some holes in each of the edges. Don't go too close to the edge, otherwise you won't have enough grip to hold the string. So just go a bit further away and just poke a tiny hole. Depends on the string that you used. Mine was kind of thin, so I didn't want to have to put really big chunky holes. So I just did this with a scissor, and there I poked a very tiny hole, as you can see over there. See? So I did exactly the same thing for every single edge of my hexagon. I got my scissors and then I poked a hole. You can use a needle too if you have a needle. Just poke your needle through and make a hole. Once you finish making 6 different holes in every single edge of your hexagon, then you need to attach the string and tie the string. Okay, so you need to thread your string through the hole, tie it together, and just leave it like this. It looks like kind of a jellyfish. So at the end, when you finished, can you see now the shape of a parachute? See? You need to tie your string to an object, okay? Because this object is going to carry the weight of your parachute. Once you finish tying the strings to an object, it can be a Lego piece, it can be a box, it can be a can, I don't know. Whatever you choose to use, go for it. Make your string long enough so you've got enough room to tie it to the object, and then find a chair and go to your chair and then put your parachute up and then let it come down slowly, and that's the way it will go. So this, my friends, is your parachute out of plastic bag and string. Have fun with it, see how it goes, and see how slowly or how fast it moves, okay? Have a nice observation, look carefully, and see how fast or slow your parachute will fall down from up in the air all the way down as you attach it to the object. Okay, have fun. Bye. See you soon. Bye, friends.